Hello, so I bought this webcam, Logitech webcam today, the C525, and so I'm going to unbox this webcam for you guys, and I'm also going to install it on my computer so we can look the picture together. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open it and see what we got inside. Let's check, let's check, let's check, let's check. It's look good, huh? It's look good. It's look good. La webcam Logitech C525. Donc, je l'ai acheté aujourd'hui. Donc, je vais l'essayer. So this is the webcam. Okay. So this is the bracket. I just want to remove this plastic. There's nothing left inside. So it's only come with the webcam. There's nothing else inside. So I'm going to plug it. You don't need to install any drivers, it's plug and play. So this is the bracket of the webcam. You can put it on top of your monitor, or you can put it on top of your desk. Okay. So let's go and plug it and see. Okay. So this is the quality picture of the Logitech C525. So this is how the picture of this webcam look like, and what I like with this webcam definitely is the quality of the microphone. It's got definitely a good microphone, even if I'm not that happy with the quality of the picture, but I can tell you definitely I love the microphone of this webcam. It's definitely very good microphone. So far I'm happy with the quality of the microphone.